Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. If you've been spending hundreds on serums but still wake up to dull, dehydrated skin, let's discover why glycerin is the ultimate glow cheat code when mixed with other ingredients. So subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for more latest updates. Section 1. What is glycerin and why it's important? Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is scientifically classified as a humectant. In simple terms, a humectant is a substance that attracts moisture from the air and draws it into your skin. According to dermatological research, glycerin is consistently ranked as one of the most effective hydrating agents available, often outperforming many expensive, lab-synthesized alternatives in clinical trials. A glowing complexion is not about oil, it is about light reflection. Plump, hydrated skin cells lie flat, creating a smooth surface that reflects light evenly for that glass skin radiance. Dehydrated cells shrivel up, creating microscopic crevices that scatter light, resulting in dull, tired-looking skin. As a humectant, glycerin restores hydration at the cellular level, plumping the cells back up so they can reflect light beautifully once again. Keep in mind, the golden rule: never use glycerin alone. Pure, 100% glycerin is a humectant, meaning it pulls moisture from its surroundings. If applied directly to the face in a dry environment, like an air-conditioned room, it will actually draw water out of your deeper skin layers to the surface, leading to increased dryness and a sticky, glue-like residue. The fix: always dilute it. Mix glycerin with water, rose water, or aloe vera in a 1:3 or 1:4 ratio, 1 part glycerin to 3 or 4 parts liquid. This ensures it absorbs properly and hydrates your skin rather than dehydrating it. Hack 1. The classic rose water and glycerin glow mist. This is the most famous DIY combination in both Ayurveda and modern skincare. It is a 30-second hack that delivers instant hydration. To create this, you will need 3 tablespoons of distilled water or rose water, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. For the method, simply mix these 2 ingredients in a sterile spray bottle. Shake it vigorously before each use because the molecules can separate when sitting. After you cleanse your face, spritz this mist 3 to 4 times onto your skin and pat it in gently. That is it. Rose water acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and astringent. It helps calm the skin and tighten pores. The glycerin then seals the deal by locking that moisture into the skin. This mist keeps your barrier strong and your skin glowing. Hack 2. The slugging alternative: glycerin and aloe vera. Now, if you have tried slugging with Vaseline but found it too heavy or clogging, this next hack is your solution. I call it the slugging alternative. For this, you need 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel and just half a teaspoon of glycerin. Simply mix the aloe and glycerin together in your palm until they fully emulsify into a smooth gel. Once mixed, apply a thick layer to your face just like you would a wash-off mask. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Aloe vera is primarily water and polysaccharides. When you mix it with glycerin, it transforms into a gel that sits on top of your skin. It creates a second skin effect that prevents moisture loss, while the aloe gets to work healing any inflammation underneath. Hack 3. The glass skin morning serum. If you want that coveted K-beauty glow under your makeup, this is the ultimate morning hack. For this, you only need 2 things: 2 drops of glycerin and 1 pump of your regular lightweight moisturizer or niacinamide serum. It is crucial that you do not premix this in a bottle. Instead, mix it fresh in your palm right before application. Simply combine the 2 drops with the moisturizer, dot the mixture onto your face, and press it in firmly. Glycerin acts as a carrier agent. It actually boosts the penetration of the active ingredients in your moisturizer, driving the hydration deeper into the skin layers. At the same time, it creates a smooth, non-tacky canvas that allows your foundation to sit perfectly on top of the skin without pilling or caking. It is the fastest way to fake that hydrated, glass-like finish. Hack 4. The 3-ingredient brightening scrub. Dullness is usually just a buildup of dead skin cells, and this hack offers a physical exfoliation while using glycerin to protect your barrier. You'll need 1 tablespoon of finely ground oats, or rice flour if you want extra brightness, plus 1 teaspoon of glycerin and 1 teaspoon of milk or plain yogurt. Mix these into a smooth paste. Gently massage it onto damp skin using circular motions for about 60 seconds, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. The glycerin provides slip, preventing the oats from scratching or micro-tearing your skin. Meanwhile, the lactic acid found in milk acts as a natural AHA, gently dissolving the intercellular glue that holds dead skin cells together. Finally, the glycerin ensures that the fresh, new skin cells underneath are instantly hydrated and protected. Hack 5. The Glycerin and Green Tea Eye Mask. Let's move on to the eyes. The skin under your eyes is the thinnest on your body. It has virtually no oil glands, which is why it's always the first place to show dehydration lines. For this hack, you will need one used green tea bag that has been cooled down, and 2 drops of glycerin. Start by taking that used tea bag and tearing it open. Empty the damp tea leaves into a small bowl. Add the 2 drops of glycerin directly to the leaves and mix them together. They will form a damp, granular paste. Now, apply this paste gently under your eyes. You are essentially creating a custom eye mask. Lean back and relax for about 10 minutes. Green tea is rich in tannins and antioxidants. Tannins are astringent, meaning they help tighten the skin slightly and reduce puffiness instantly. They also help fade dark circles over time by constricting the blood vessels. Meanwhile, the glycerin is working hard to plump up those fine lines immediately. Section 2. Answering your burning questions. I've pulled the most common queries from Google and YouTube search trends to give you definitive answers. Question 1. Can I mix glycerin with vitamin C serum? Yes, but carefully. Vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, is notoriously unstable and water-based. Glycerin is also water-based, so they mix well. Add a drop of glycerin to your palm, then add your vitamin C serum, mix, and apply immediately. This boosts the hydration of the vitamin C, reducing the sting some people feel. Question 2. Does glycerin remove tan? Glycerin does not chemically bleach or remove tan. Tan removal requires exfoliation to shed the dark and dead skin cells. Or ingredients like vitamin C or licorice that inhibit melanin production. However, glycerin helps reveal your natural skin tone faster by keeping the skin healthy during the tan removal process. Use it after an exfoliating treatment to speed up recovery. Question 3. Is glycerin safe for oily and acne-prone skin? Yes. This is a major myth. Glycerin is non-comedogenic, meaning it does not clog pores. The fear comes from the sticky feeling people associate with breakouts. However, true acne is caused by bacteria, oil, and dead skin cells blocking pores. Glycerin is just hydration. In fact, when oily skin becomes dehydrated, it overproduces oil to compensate. By using glycerin, you hydrate the skin, signaling it to stop producing excess sebum. Question 4. Can I leave glycerin on my face overnight? Yes, but only if diluted. As I mentioned in Hack 2, a thin layer of a glycerin plus moisturizer mix is excellent for overnight repair. However, if you live in a very dry climate, using pure glycerin overnight can backfire. Always seal it in with a night cream or sleeping mask. Section 3. Pro tips for maximum glow. In your routine, apply your glycerin mix after toning but before heavier creams, if using water-based glycerin. If using it as an occlusive, mixed with aloe, apply it last. Glycerin is proof that skincare doesn't have to be expensive to be effective. It's about understanding the science and using the ingredients correctly. Try one of these hacks tonight and look at the mirror tomorrow morning. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed beauty tips.